So hey guys, welcome to the week 1 Q&A of your internship program. So I hope most of you have started the assignment, and let me walk through what I'm going to do. Okay. So today actually Kamna was supposed to come, but Kamna is down. So I'm just replacing her. No issues. We are still going strong. Cool. And what we will be doing is we will first I will go through the assignments, all the questions. Okay. Once we complete all the questions, I'll just discuss them through all through. Sorry, I'm fumbling once again. I'll discuss through all the questions, and after that, we'll go to the Slido page in which we will, discuss all the questions that you guys have asked there. After we have completed Slido, we'll come back here to the chat box, and you can ask any further questions if you have. Cool. Everybody is cool with me. Put cool in the chat box. Awesome. Wow. I mean, whenever you guys type, no, it just goes up. I can't even see. Nice. Excellent. So let me share my screen and let's get started. Okay. Awesome. So guys, can you see my the screen? Sorry, there is some background noise if it is coming because there is some construction going on. Can you guys see my screen and hear me clearly? Awesome. Cool. Is this Google Drive compulsory, or can we upload the assignment in formal local drive in computer? Yes, you can upload it as local file, no issues. So for those who don't know how to do it, like how to complete the assignment, just do this. Click on file, go to make a copy, and in here you can put your name somewhere. Okay, like in the beginning you can put DDIP week 1. Then in the last you can put, let's say, Jayant Kumar Padik. Okay, and just click OK. All right. What is this, that anonymous animals icon in the shares? Because a lot of people are showing up. So Google will not reveal their email IDs. It will just show some anonymous animal thing. Okay, this is basically users looking at this particular document. So this is how you copy that assignment sheet. Okay, let's go through this assignment. The first question is, what is something that you believe to be true that nobody else agrees with you on? It can be anything. It's a complete open exercise. You can literally write anything from your experience. What you think is true, but nobody else agrees with you. For me, I sometimes think that, hard work is overrated. I don't know. A lot of people still agree with me. A lot of people don't agree with me. Okay. So maybe that's one thing for me. Maybe you can write something about yourself. I'm not able to save the assignment after finishing off some part. You don't have to save. In Google Docs, it is automatically saved. Okay. So that's pretty much it. You can write something about it, and you have to justify basically. Why do you think that? So for me, I think that hard work is overrated because I have done a lot of hard work. Okay, in my life. So, okay, I've been into jobs and all. I still do. I work insanely hard right now. I like, my current routine is like working 18 hours in a day, but still it doesn't feel like hard work because I enjoy it. Okay, hard work is something when you don't enjoy things. So maybe that kind of definition you can put it in. Something you can put it in. And maybe if you guys have read that book, the 4 hours work week book, in which I don't know the author who wrote it. He wrote about outsourcing and how can release your pressure, all those things. So anything, whatever, any philosophy that you agree with. Yes, Tim Ferriss. Yes, thank you very much, Kunal and Rupali. So basically anything that you believe nobody else agrees on, you can put it in. All right. Yes, 18 hours of work. I counted actually. In weekends, it is less. In weekdays, it is like, it's a lot. What are the top 3 objective truths that you have discovered in your life through experimentation and results? So basically, objective truths are something that do not care about, like sir actually wrote, they do not care about anybody else's opinion, right? For example, value of pi is 3.14. So it can be a scientific truth or it can be an experience from your own life. Okay. So in my experience, I have worked as a geologist. Okay, so I experienced that with heavy temperature and pressure, even solids become fluid. So that can be applied to life as well, right? With time and pressure, you also change, your own capabilities change. So, that's one lesson that I took. My own experience can also include like for example, this particular mic was not working with a USB cable. I had to insert an aux cable. So it depends. It can be a very small thing. It can be a very large philosophical thing, whatever you learned in life. I recently learned that my dogs do not like prong collars. So there is a certain type of collars which dogs don't like, and you should not put them on to the dogs. So that's pretty much it. Basically, whatever you have experienced in your life, any objective truth that you have discovered in your own life by your own experience or through experimentation can be put in here. Okay, it can be just simple one-liners. So everybody clear with this? Just put clear for me. Awesome. Number 3 is what I think a lot of people, have a hard time with. All you have to do is you have to write about your 2.0 version, set some goals for yourself, write it and publish it in a public platform. Rahul Anand says, can you explain question number 2? I'll come back to it, Rahul. Okay. In question number 3, you have to write something about the 2.0 version of yourself. So what you are visualizing yourself as, you have to basically write an article about that as a journalist in a third person, and you have to publish it. Don't write it in a PDF, don't write it in a Google Doc or put the link. Publish it in a public platform. It can be Medium, it can be LinkedIn, it can be Quora, somewhere, but publish it. How many of you are having problems with, okay. Third one is a bit challenging. Yes, it was a challenge for me as well. LinkedIn has 225. No, LinkedIn, you can go up to 1500 words. Let me show you. Okay, so you just go to linkedin.com, basically. And in LinkedIn, see in this post, can you see the screen of this LinkedIn thing? No, you can't post in Facebook. Facebook doesn't allow long posts. So in LinkedIn, here you see photo, video, event, and write article. Click on this write article. Okay. And then click next. Here you can write as long as article you want. Okay. I have written my own. Let me open my profile. How many of you want to see my 2.0 version? Awesome. So this is basically, I keep writing all these articles in LinkedIn. Whichever article I cannot publish on my own blog, I write it on LinkedIn. Something recently I hired some people for my company, for my work, and like I wrote the experience of hiring. So this was like first time I'm hiring some people. So, I wrote about that. And oops, sorry. It was somewhere here. Give me one moment. I wrote some 3 articles, right? Yeah. Here is my 2.0 version. Like you have to exactly write as a, as journalist writes, like meet Jayant Kumar Padi, India's most amazing e-commerce consultant, right? You have to write like, you have to visualize yourself as a journalist and write about yourself. It sounds a bit narcissistic, but it's a very cool exercise. And it gave a lot of clarity to me, right? I really decided I was into web design and especially into e-commerce web design because I love designing e-commerce website, with kinds of, the functionalities that they have, all kinds of design it has. So I'll come to all those questions, Sanjay and Dhruv, towards the end of this session. Yes, you'll be getting the recording of this. So basically, you have to write about yourself, just like how news reporters write about people. Okay. So this is basically it. I am writing about how I was an earth scientist. I love trekking. I trekked around 7 mountains. I rode some things, it is, I think, shared in your master resource. Go to this FAQ document. Okay. Kamna has shared her own sheet, I think, somewhere. It's not here. Anyways, just come to my LinkedIn profile and you can find it here in my profile itself. I don't think sharing it on Telegram will help anyway. Okay. Yes, you'll have to write while visualizing yourself as your 2.0 version, and it has to be a public platform. That's the important part, because once you share your dream, it becomes you'll feel certain confidence about it. Okay. Is it okay to publish on social medium? I would not recommend social media in general, like Facebook or Instagram. Go to this blogging platforms, like LinkedIn is one. Another one is Medium. Okay, medium.com. Here also you can like add, you can just click on get started. I already am signed in, so I'll just sign in with my personal email ID. So here in Medium, you can go to your profile here where it says J, it will show your name, and you can click on write a story. Okay. This can be an entirely big article on it. Okay. So you can write about your 2.0 version in Medium, or you can go to Quora. Quora is a great platform. Okay. Another one can be Blogspot, where you can use the free Blogspot, don't have to purchase anything. Go to Quora and maybe ask a question and answer it yourself, right? Maybe you can also search for a question, or it's better to ask a question and answer that question yourself. Okay, so that can be done. You can simply ask a question, add a question, answer that question. Can we commercialize Medium blog? Anusha, all these questions I'll come towards the end. Okay, they are not relevant to the assignment, hence will come towards the end. Okay, keep all these things in mind. Awesome. So everybody clear on question number 3? If anybody has any doubts, we'll come back. Okay, then what to write in PDF for third question? There is no PDF for this third question. This entire assignment has to be downloaded as a PDF, not just the third question. Okay, don't do that. Next, what is your personality type? What did you learn about yourself in this exercise? So basically you have to go to this particular website, 16personalities.com, take the test, and you have to write your personality type. You have to write something about your own personality type after going through their things, after going through their description about your profile. What extra things did you learn about yourself? Oops, I think I forgot my password. Okay, I remember my password. Yes, you just have to put your link. Yes, in question number 3. Correct. So let me go to my profile. I don't know where it is shown. So I am architect, turbulent architect. I think this one. Yes. So you have to go through this entire description, how turbulent architects or how your personality types behaves. And you have to write some points. What did you discover about yourself? All right. Cool. Where did we go? I think we're here. So don't worry about the word count. It says write in 100 words. It can be more than 100 words, but keep a limit of minimum 100 words. Okay. Is it a sheet on LMS part 1? I don't understand, Tarun. I'll come back to this question later. Okay. Next, your role model. And also your role model need not be from that particular personality sheet. It can be anyone. Okay. If your role model happens to be the same as your personality type, that's great. But many times it may happen that your role model may not be at the same personality type, or maybe your role model does not have a personality yet. I mean, people have not discovered their personality yet. I mean, for example, let's say I'm talking about Albert Einstein. I have not seen an accurate description of Albert Einstein's personality in terms of the personality test, but he's my role model. Okay. So it depends. Okay. You can write anybody's name here. What are the top 7 emotional states that you are supposed to be in as much as possible? This is a direct question. Okay. Go visit the assignment or week 1 video. I think around 1 hour, 30 minutes mark. It is there somewhere, if I remember correctly. You can just refer to that video and write all the 7 states here. Can we have 2 or 3 role models? Yes, 100%, no problem. What are the top 3 things that you will do to increase your emotional well-being? There are a lot of things you can do. I play with my dogs, and what else do? I read books, I paint, and I also love designing websites. Okay, I have certain softwares which mock a website creation, prototyping. So I love doing that. I also do that. I also watch a lot of Avengers movie. I'm a big fan of superheroes. Okay. Kunal, your questions will be answered towards the end. I'll not see this question now. Please keep all these questions in mind. We'll answer all these questions toward the end of the webinar because these are not relevant to this particular assignment. Awesome. Step 7, have you cut corners? I mean, have you ever cheated or acted in an unethical way? May not be illegal, but Have you ever acted in an unethical way? So, I mean, all of us have some baggage, right? So we have to write about that baggage. So I wrote about my own baggage, something about yourself. Don't worry, it will be like completely, off the record. Nobody will, share this, completely confidential things. So yeah, you have to write something about yourself, about cutting corners. Tajinder says countless. Yes, countless is the accurate term. Cool. What are the 10 books that you're planning to read in the next 1 year? So, basically you just have to write the book name and maybe the title of that, author's name in that book. For example, I want to read this guy's books, Russell Brunson's book. I'm a marketer and I've not read his book. My goodness, what have I done? And Seth Godin's some of the books I have yet to read. I have to read Robert Greene's books. Man, I have a long list of books. Why should we write it? This is why. Okay. This is why all these books, literally most of these books were written here. I actually went ahead and purchased it after a while and I started reading, and it's like, it can be anything. It can be technical, it can be literature, but have a book that actually, it's productive. Okay. Like, for example, Ikigai has nothing to do with marketing, but it's a great book to find your niche. Okay. So you can read such books, and it can be technical books. Like, I have a great technical book called Copywriting Secrets. So guys who want to sell through words, convert their words into money, definitely should read this book. That's what I recommend. Or maybe Edge of Sanity may be one of your reading list. So you just have to put your reading list in there. And the thing is, the entire purpose of this particular assignment is to list your thoughts down. You keep thinking about some things. I'll do it. You'll never do it until and unless you put it into words. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yes, Praveen, you'll be getting the recording. No worry. Step 9. What are the things that you have started measuring regularly in business and life? They can be literally anything. I have, in fact, started measuring how long I work, how much breaks I take, and how many hours I sleep, when I sleep, how much weight am I gaining or losing. All these things I have started monitoring, and it's a great thing to monitor all these small things, and that helps a lot. Repeat copyright. Copywriting is not relevant to this particular assignment, guys, so you can watch it, I think, in week 10 or something. Don't worry. You have started measuring oxygen level. Yes, that's an excellent point. We should be doing that. Excellent. Yes. Do a brain dump of everything that is there in your mind in a notebook. This is a mega to-do list of everything to clear your mind. How many of you are confused with this particular question? Awesome. So you don't have to basically write down the entire to-do list here. Okay. As it is said, you have to pick a notebook. I actually have that notebook here. Okay. So you can see this to-do list with all the tick marks here, right? So you have to literally make a to-do list of all your tasks, whatever you want to do, okay, in life or in general. You basically have to write a particular thing and put a checkbox around it. It can be anything. It can be like very basic things. I'm sorry if you can't see, I can't show you my questions. It can be like this to-do list, some work given here, whether that work is completed or not. I have one more work here. Okay. So all this works, you have to keep listing it down. So you can use this particular trigger list to write down this entire to-do list, right? For example, if you have a professional work, okay, you may have some projects that are on the pipeline. You have started but not completed. It's long been, it's like I have a certain thought in mind that I want to start an e-commerce business, and I have started it, but I have yet to design that entire Shopify store because I have all the clients' work. So that is something that I should note it down. Or you may have some projects that need to be started. For example, uh, what are some of the projects that I need to start? I need to really start exercising regularly. It is not professional, but I have been planning, but I have not been able to start, working out daily because of like my parents got COVID and I was busy in hospital and something like that. So that was there. And one of the professional things was to write a lot of articles in my blog. I have been a big dork lately in terms of writing articles. I have been so lazy there. Okay, if you have any commitments to your partners, bosses, colleagues, you have to write about those. So basically you have to keep listing all those things down in a particular to-do in a list, wherein all those incompleted tasks in your life is written. Okay, it can be the same notebook of the digital Deepak notebook. Okay, or it can be any notebook, no problem. So can you write it on a digital media instead of notebook? Yes, 100%. You can do that. No problem. We need to answer just yes or no. After you have done that, just type yes here. This answer is just that simple. That's all, right? So week 1 is easy, right? What do you guys think? Yep, awesome. That is amazing. After you explained, it's easy. Of course, I am also awesome. Okay, so let's get to the Slido link. How many of you have posted your questions here? Please put me in the chat box. Awesome. I'll come to all your questions, guys. Don't worry. I'll finish this first. Let's go very systematically and I'll come to all your questions. Don't worry. I'm not going to ignore any of you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's start it. Can you please give some more information about question 10 in the first assignment? So basically it's the to-do list. Whatever things in your life which are not completed, start listing them down. And that's what you have to do. Basically, whatever in your life that you are missing out, you have not completed, not even started, but planning to start, everything, simply put it in. Do I have to scan my notebook of question 10 and post? No, you just have to put yes or no. That's all. After writing it down in a notebook, you have to post yes or no. Okay. Please explain number 3 of the first assignment. I have explained, right? Write your 2.0 version. Like a journalist would write about you in a third person. So yeah, I have actually shown my own profile. So I don't think it can get better than that. First question, can it be personal or should it be generic or society related? It can be both. It can be both. Okay, this guy thinks people say that you are aggressive, but you are not. Oh my God. Okay. If people think you are aggressive, you probably are, but don't worry. Don't worry about it. You can still write write that. Okay. I used to be very aggressive once, I used to be very, very strict guy when I was studying in college or something. How to select a niche. Okay, basically how to select a niche. This will be covered in week 3. So don't worry about it. I'll come to this question in the end if you want, but not now. Can you please explain and give examples on question number 2? I already explained and gave examples on question number 2. So I hope that was clear. Digambar, what are the things started measuring regularly in our business and life? Also, I explained all that. Can you please explain question number 7? Question number 7, what was it? Tops, this 6, 7th is, have you ever cut corners? Have you ever been guilty of something that was not illegal, but rather unethical? Maybe you would have cheated on something. Okay. So something about it. Maybe you have been unethical to a friend or a colleague, something you have to write about that. Link to the published version. Question 3 is necessary. Yes, absolutely necessary. How to answer question number 10? Should we copy its format and then write yes or no, or just to start yes or no by answering vertically for each trigger or horizontally yes or no? Just put yes or no and write everything in a separate notebook. Don't have to even post that notebook here. Third question, is LinkedIn, in LinkedIn, it has only 225 character limits. And of course, I don't have a blog, website, Medium post or like that. What will I do? I think somebody, Shiv Kumar is here with us. You basically go to LinkedIn once again, and here you click on write article. Okay. Mentor Kamna, how about international students? Hope we will get our welcome kit. Well, even I can't answer that. You have to mail our support team and they will be able to help you out. Can someone elaborate me on question number 4? Question number 4, what was that? Yeah, personality type, role model. I think we have already elaborated. Basically, you have to go to this site, take the test, and you have to write your personality type. And, you can write about something about what you learned about your personality, and you have to write about your role model. That's all. Don't have to elaborate your role models. That's not necessary. Oops. Hi guys, can you hear me? Am I audible now? Yes, thank you. Actually, sorry, somebody is calling me. There was a power cut, so my Wi-Fi went out. Cool. Let's resume. Okay. Awesome. Should I attach brain dump paper with the assignment? No, Nitin, you don't have, Nitesh, you don't have to attach anything. Just have to write yes or no. That's it. All right. Cool. Where were we? Can someone elaborate me on question number 4? We did question number 4. I cannot understand the last question of week 1 assignment. So you basically have to make a mega to-do list in one of your notebooks, in a physical notebook. After writing that there, don't have to scan it, don't have to do anything, don't take photographs, just simply come to your assignment and write yes. That's all. So I hope that was clear. In question number 8, I think we need to buy the books, maybe hard copy, soft copy, or audiobook. Getting free soft copies of, you don't have to buy the soft books right now. You just have to write the books that you're planning to read. And that's how it is structured, actually. Hi, we have to delete bracket information or tips. No, you don't have to delete. Just simply write the answer and, it will be ready. To which email ID should we should give access to the Google Doc created in question number 3? You don't have to make a Google Doc in question number 3. You have to actually go ahead and publish it online in a public platform. Question number 4 says it should be written in 100 words. What does it mean? Should we write a minimum of 100 words or at most 100 words? Minimum of 100 words. I think that's implied, right? May I know what is this FAQs for? Are they telling the answer of the assignment or something else? Okay, so basically before you guys are here, there were 11 other batches, right? All the batches have a very common question about every single question. Okay, every single step there. So we have actually answered all those questions in the FAQ document so that you don't have to worry about it. So you should ideally be actually looking into FAQ documents as well before even putting the questions. Awesome. Please, can you briefly explain question number 10 or question number 5? Question number 5, do I choose my top 7 emotional state or do I directly copy the first 7? So the question says the top 7 emotional state you have to be, you should be in, right? So you have to identify where you are right now and accordingly you have to write about the top 7. Could you point out reasons for the assignment rejection part from blank or copied, broken links? So basically, if any part of your assignment is not written, is not basically not, you have missed any of the questions, your assignment will get rejected, but don't worry, you'll get another chance to submit. Okay. You can, even if you have made some mistake, even if you have skipped any question, you can always, keep it ready. In case your assignment gets rejected, you can resubmit it again and also claim the cashback. So don't worry about those. Okay. So that was what is my assignment, dude. I think we have already shared in the resource sheet. I don't know my assignments. Huh? Really? Okay. How come you did not know about the assignment? It's all in the resource sheet and also inside your LMS. So basically, if you are logging in into batch, I'm in batch 11, by the way. I'm mentoring batch 11. So let's go into batch 11's dashboard. So once you are in your LMS, it will look something like this. Scroll down and you'll see the assignment here. All right. Week 1 assignment 1 worksheet. Just download that, copy it. Can you give a complete schedule of this internship program, duration of the session, when it will be starting, ending, what subject will cover? Yes, it is all here in your resource sheet. So in your master resource sheet, there is a mandatory checks. In here, there would be a certain link, your DDIP calendar. Just click on that and you'll be redirected to another Google Sheet in which all the sessions, deadlines, and everything are written. All right. Digambar Deshmukh, can you elaborate more about question number 10? We have already elaborated enough, I guess. I'm facing issue to log into my LMS showing that the email address is not registered. In that case, you can mail to our support, which goes by the name support@pixeltrack.com. Okay, you can mail your LMS issues or anything here and we will get back to you. I am not joined in the Telegram group. Please add me. You do one thing, you also mail the support. Support has all the emails. And if you have this particular master resource sheet, we have step-by-step guidance on how to download this particular Telegram app. Okay, for Windows and for Mac. Here is the Telegram link. Here's the Telegram group. And these are the rules for interacting inside the Telegram group, what you need to know. So everything you need is in the master resource sheet. Assignment reject, within how many days can we resubmit? As soon as the assignment gets rejected, you will have a deadline of, I think, 7 to 10 days. I'm not very sure. Just ask in the support or your batch mentor. She will know. Can we have this Q&A session in the evening after 7 p.m. as my office logout is 7 p.m.? No, sorry. We also have deadlines to meet. We also have working hours, right? So 4 p.m. works the best so far. For master resource sheet, let me share the link with you once again. Okay. Oops, give me one moment. Here is the link to master resource sheet. It is also shared with you on an email. Just check out our email. Check out your email from Kamna. It may be in your promotions or your spam folder as well. Just check it out. All right. What to do in brain dump exercise? Please suggest. We already did that. Do we need to upload anything in question number 10 in PDF? No, keep it to yourself. Cannot find question number 5 and cannot join Telegram group. Cannot find answer to question number 5. I think we have, what are the top 7 emotional state? Watch the complete video once again, if in that case. So that the answer to that particular question, top 7 emotional state, is somewhat around 1 hour, 30 minutes mark. You may start around 1 hour, but I would highly recommend you to just go and, just watch that entire video once again. Okay. Will you give some insight on Pinterest marketing in coming weeks? No, I'm sorry. This internship will not cover Pinterest marketing, but we will cover social media marketing, the new way social media marketing, how the new companies, the big corporates are doing social media marketing nowadays, and how they're building social networks, which is much more important than this. So yeah, I think we are done with the Slido questions. Let's get into chat box questions. So guys, you can put your questions right here. Monica says, can I change my email IDs for all mails from Digital Deepak or Team KK? Team KK? I think Team DD something that you are talking about. As it is my personal ID and sometimes emails get missed. You can mail to our support, Monica. Hemang, can we remove the instructions given? You can, but it's better not to. I mean, it's easier for us to, judge your answers. In the assignment FAQ for question number 3, it is mentioned, if you would not like it to share it on a public platform, you can write it on an article or Google Doc and share it with us. Only thing is, please make sure, okay, if your batch mentor allows that, definitely, I don't recommend, I don't recommend it. Because publishing it on a platform, on a public platform, has a kind of a different kind of impact. Okay, so basically how you have to do it is you have to write an article, something right like this in the assignment sheet or in a separate Google Doc. Click on share. Okay, in here click on change to anyone with the link, and in here select viewer or commenter or editor, whatever. Click on copy link and you can paste that here. Honestly, I do not recommend it writing on a Google Doc, because writing it on a public platform boosts your confidence like anything. So I would always recommend you to write it on a public platform. Is it necessary? Well, I think your batch mentor says it's not necessary, so you can use that as well. What is the last date of submission? You can log into your LMS and you can see the last date of your submission, Rahul. I think it will be 30 days from the day your assignment was released. Okay, how do I write my answers? Can't write anything. Nitin, I think you need to check the recordings of this webinar once again, because I clearly showed you how to write the answers. You have to basically go to file, make a copy of that particular document, and then start writing. Team KK is Kamna and Krishna. Oh, okay. I did not know that. Awesome. Nice. Is it okay if we join Telegram group from another number? Yeah, it's okay. No problem. Should I put a link to public platform? I did not understand that, Murali. Can you please elaborate that question? Sir, I joined late. Please do a small favor. Discuss some examples of question number 2. Mandeep, if you joined late, you can always watch the recording. Okay, there is no big deal. But question number 2 is basically you writing something about your own experience that you feel are very objective. For example, for me, let's say, for me, books are the best gifts. Okay, I have seen, personally speaking, especially the old books where I have scratched, I have written my own notes. People love them. So books are the best gifts is one of the objective truths that I have figured out. So you have to figure out your own objective truths and write something about them. Garlapati, can you explain question number 1 and 2 one more time? You can watch the recording, no? If you have any specific question, apart from the description, because I have already explained everything, just watch the recordings and you'll be clear with those. If you have still any questions left in between if you have missed reading in between the lines or something, then we can definitely talk. 10th question, we have to write in one word, yes or no. Yes. Yes. I have no role model with reference to Q4 about personality. Is it okay? No, it's not okay. How can you not have any role model? Right? Role model is something you are following, is somebody you are following. You're basically following their footstep in your own career or in your own life. It's not necessarily be a very high status. Okay. Let's say in terms of research, Robert Feynman is my role model. But in terms of digital marketing, I feel Deepak sir is my role model. Okay. So it can be anybody, and definitely you will be following somebody in life, right? Without following somebody, you cannot go anywhere in life. That's the rule, guys. That's how it works. After this internship, do we get freelance project? You will get freelance project even before the freelance, even the internship gets over. I got my first 3 clients right at week 7 or week 6. So it's not impossible to get freelance projects right at the beginning. What is the last date to submit the assignment to get no timely rejection and approval? Well, the last date is 30 days from the release of your assignment. So let me check your calendar once again, because I'm not very familiar with batch 12 calendar. So, give me one moment. I don't know where I left it. Okay, here it is. Batch 12 ka calendar. Let me share my screen. So for you, success mindset ke liye, your deadline is on Wednesday, 5th May 2021. Oh, sorry, this is today, 31st May. All right, 31st May is your deadline. Awesome, sir. I joined late. I'm sorry, Mandeep. You can just watch this recording again. No issues. Didi said in his video that we have to publish it. Yes, I 100% recommend. Please, please, please publish it. Even though your mentors say you can write in the Google Doc, but it's better to publish it. Let me check again. It's really kind of crucial. Okay. So yeah, you can write it in Google Doc and share with you. That's fine. But I would highly, highly recommend, going ahead and publishing it in a public platform. That will be better. Has the next week started? It will start maybe from tomorrow, I think. Let me check. It will start on Friday, 7th of May. So next week will start from 7th of May. Some people are saying, I don't have any role model. It is totally impossible. I don't agree. I cannot accept that. Totally, yeah. Once I publish it, should I give the link in the assignment? Yes. Is it a must to join Telegram group? No, it is optional. I am unable to join Telegram group. I've tried N times. I don't know what N means, but you can mail to our support. They will give you step-by-step instructions on how to do it. How do I get my Telegram LMS link? You don't have your LMS link? You can check your emails, Tarun. You have landed here somehow, right? So you must have received an email where the LMS link is mentioned. So let me paste your LMS link here once again, to be honest, that will be better. Let me check, where did it go? Yes, this is the LMS link that I'm just pasting. I missed a lot of questions in between. All right. How do I write my answers? Okay, we have answered all these questions. People are just copy pasting their questions. Okay. Once I publish, okay, this is done. How do I get LMS link? Okay, here we are. Any suggestions from your side to improve writing and improve execution of blog? Keep writing. That's the best way. Keep writing and keep judging yourself, and you will automatically improve. There is literally no other way. We have to write only the name of the role models. Yeah, just have to write the name of the role model. That's all. I have emailed them and support, no reply from the team. Himanshu, you have to wait like 2 to 3 business days for a reply from our team. Business days, I tell you once again. And also, like a lot of our people are down from COVID. Even Kamna is down from COVID. So, we are like working on a very limited capacity. So please give us a break. We will definitely get back to you. Don't worry. But it may take a little bit longer. Can I change my emails and an exclusive email for DDIP? Yes, 100% Sunil. You can just send a mail to your batch mentor, Kamna or Krishna. Which website do we use for doing freelancing? Your own website, Anusha. Your own website is something that you'll be using for freelancing. You can also use a LinkedIn profile for freelancing. It's not necessary you need to have your profile, website. Sir, after publishing article in LinkedIn, we should share the link. Yes, you have to share the link inside the that particular question, inside the answer. Can we write about emotional things, or we have to specific about digital marketing only? I don't know which question you are talking about, Sakshi. If you can mention that. Next session release will be live or not, at what time? It will be a recorded session, Neha. So next session will be a completely recorded lesson. From now on, DD will come live on intern special webinar, which is tonight, by the way, at 9 o'clock. Okay. Like this, he will come live once in a week, and live Q&A calls will be there with mentors like us. Okay. Monica, as you said, we'll need 7 more days to resubmit if it gets rejected. Yes, you will get 7 more days. It's not like you'll need 7 more days. You will get 7 more days after your assignment gets rejected. Okay. Please provide a contact number from the society for the easiness. Contacting you regarding any technical issue. It's better to send an email. You better send an email so that we can research on it, because it will be a technical issue. It's not very sure that we would have encountered it before. If you are putting it on writing, we can research on that particular issue very well and get back to you, even with a recorded video, or maybe we may even call you. It's okay. That's it. Jinu, you're asking about question number 2. I have already explained. Monica, where can we get the calendar? Inside your master resource sheet. Please check your emails. Where can we find FAQs? Inside your master resource sheet. Okay. Can I change my email? Yes, you can send a mail to our support team. How to connect with blog platform? Just go to blogspot.com. You will get the steps afterward. Get well soon, Kamna. Okay, guys. Well, I have an exercise to do. Let's finish all the questions. Can we download the assignment sheet to computer, prepare it, and convert it into PDF and upload it? Yes, 100% you can. Should we buy WordPress and website separately or any other way? Please wait till week 4. A lot of people have made this mistake and actually have lost money on this. Don't buy WordPress websites right now. Okay, we have a specific method for you to pick websites. Be very careful regarding that. Don't buy anything out of the hurry. You may pick the wrong WordPress thing. Hostinger, Bluehost, or SiteGround. SiteGround is not existing anymore. Hostinger is for Hostinger or Bluehost. Anything is fine. I mean, it's up to you. Next video, by what time will it be uploaded on LMS on Friday? Anytime in the morning. Don't worry about it. Can we ask questions which are beyond the scope of this webinar? Maybe after I end this session, I'll stop recording and then we can talk. Okay. Do I write all the answers in that question sheet? Yes. Can you please share the link of calendar? It is inside the master resource sheet. Please go there. Will we get the recording of today's webinar? Yes, 100%. Just give me like till night at 9 o'clock. By that time, this particular webinar will be processed and I will upload it. What piece of advice would you give before we go to further practical session? Guys, just follow the instructions. Okay, don't go beyond them. You can go beyond them, but don't make any purchase decisions based on just a video if you don't recommend. Okay, because you may actually lose money on things. We structured this entire program in such a way that you don't have to spend a lot of money on it. Okay, but if you are in a haste, you may actually lose money. So just wait for all our instructions and just follow along. Our instructions are very, very carefully designed. So don't worry about it. You will definitely get some benefits out of it. But Atif, I have emailed regarding Telegram joining issue, but did not receive a reply even after 3 working days. Well, you can send a mail to your batch mentor once again in Kamna, or you can attach her in CC. You will definitely get a reply. But now people are suffering from COVID and all, so like team is sharing everything, so it's a bit hectic here. Can we build a free blog on WordPress? Yes, you can, definitely. When the video get uploaded in LMS on Friday during the morning somewhere. Hi Jansa, website optimization will be an exercise, a part of this program. Yes, you'll learn that in week 4 and also during week 10 in SEO. Orientation regarding an important guidelines batch for this subject email has the master resource. Yes, thank you very much, Anand. The email subject will be written orientation, recording, and important guidelines for DDIP journey batch 12. Go to this particular email. The master resource sheet is in there. All your questions are answered in there. So don't worry about it. Okay. How to get handbooks for free? Handbooks you have to purchase, man. I mean, come on. Question number first and second, can we write about emotional things? Yes, definitely. You can write about emotional things, no issues. I'm not able to reset my password on LMS. Please mail to our support. We'll help you out. Will we get webinar recording at night, which will be at 9 p.m.? Yes, you'll get the webinar recording. No worry. I could not find the calendar in LMS. It is not in LMS, Hema Malini. It is in your master resource sheet. Ateep Abdullah, please put your message in a chat. Should I start watching Mastery program? You don't need to watch Mastery program, actually. You can watch this internship program and this will be enough. Mastery program is like an add-on, extra knowledge on top of internship. Okay, guys. So we have, would like to learn more from you on creating websites, on selling digital products? Cool. Yes, definitely I'll be able to help. No issues with that. Jan, being a mentor is a difficult task. You have been a very patient and replying same question again and again. Thank you very much, Visha, because this means a lot. In personality type question, we need to answer with type and also a little bit of a description about yourself. Okay, what you learned about it. Do I write all answers in question sheet or do I write new Google Docs for answering all the questions? Now, in the same question sheet that you copied, made a copy basically. So you have to write it on there. I'm not having a WordPress website. Can I do all the things on Blogspot? You can do on Blogspot. You can do on LinkedIn. You can do on Medium for this particular assignment. But after week 4, you actually have to purchase a WordPress website. That is compulsory. So yeah. Any more we need to add? No, that's all. Just follow the instructions. What is your blog or website to follow? Okay. All right. I think my video is frozen. Give me one moment. Something has happened. Let me change my Wi-Fi. All right. Okay, guys, can you hear me? Urvashi says in brain dump question, answering yes is enough. Yes, answering yes is enough. How do you manage to be so calm? Well, I have a charming face. I don't know why I'm so calm. I don't know. Thank you very much for appreciating that. Video gone. Yeah, I turned off my video. Actually, my power came and my phone ka hotspot did not work properly. So I just came up. Thanks, Jayant. Replacing someone at last moment as doing is so good. Great. All right. You have very good voice quality. Have you ever thought of applying for RJ? I can be a better host to webinars than RJ. I can make really good YouTube videos now. Yes, you have a charming face. Yes, thanks my parents. You know, my mother is pretty and my father is very handsome. Hence, yeah. I have Google site and I published my question third. Is that okay? Yes, it is okay. Thank you very much. Guys, before you leave, let's do a very interesting exercise. Let me